Hello everyone! Welcome to our video about English vocabulary for the topic, being part of history. Photographer, a person who takes photographs, either as a job or hobby. Microphone, a piece of equipment that you speak into to make your voice louder or to record your voice or other sounds. Flash, a sudden bright light that quickly disappears. Lens. Objects are used in cameras that makes objects seem closer, larger, smaller, etc. Reporter. A person whose job is to discover information about news events and describe them for a newspaper or magazine or for radio or television. Interview. A meeting in which someone asks you questions to see if you are suitable for a job or course. Article. A piece of writing on a particular subject in a newspaper or magazine, or on the internet. News. Information or reports about recent events. Interest. If someone or something interests you, you want to give that person or thing your attention and discover more about him, her, or it. Interesting. Someone or something that is interesting keeps your attention. Frighten. To make someone feel fear. Frightening. Making you feel fear. Relax. To cause someone to become less active and more calm and happy. Relaxing. Making you feel relaxed. Excite. To make someone have strong feelings of happiness and enthusiasm. Exciting. Making you feel excited. Bore. To make someone lose interest. Boring. Not interesting or exciting. Amaze. To cause someone to be extremely surprised. Amazing. Extremely surprising. Very good. Salary. A fixed amount of money agreed every year as pay for an employee. Factory. A building or buildings where people use machines to produce goods. Deserve. To have earned or to be given something because of the way you have behaved or the qualities you have. Scientist. An expert who studies or works in one of the sciences. Celebrity. Someone who is famous, especially in the entertainment business. Surgeon. A doctor who is specially trained to perform medical operations. Improve. To get better or to make something better. Hero. A person who is admired for having done something very brave or having achieved something great. That is the end of our English video today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel to support us. See you again in the next video.